Hello friends, I am Assistant Professor Shinde AV from Sanvi Keshri College of Arts and Commerce, Chinchwad, Pune, explaining you syllabus of auditing TY BCom 2013 pattern of Savitribai Phule Pune University. The name of our subject is Auditing and Taxation. In first term, we will study auditing. Term and exam of 60 marks will be conducted based on syllabus of auditing only. Auditing is totally theoretical. In the second term, we will study taxation. Taxation is totally practical oriented, in which we have to solve sums like accountancy. Annual examination. Annual examination will be of 80 marks, in which 32 marks are for auditing and 48 marks are for taxation. For this subject, there is a practical examination in which students have to complete at least 6 practicals in a year. At the end of year, there will be oral examination. Let's see the syllabus of auditing. Chapter first is Introduction to Principles of Auditing and Audit Process, in which we have to study definition, nature, objectives and advantages of auditing, types of errors and frauds, various types or classes of audit, audit program, audit notebook, audit working papers and concept of internal control, internal check and internal audit. This is the first chapter. In chapter second, we will study checking, vouching and audit report, in which we will study test checking, vouching of cash book, verification and valuation of assets and liabilities, types of audit reports such as clean and qualified audit report, audit certificates, difference between audit report and audit certificate, auditing and assurance standards known as AAS. Chapter third is company auditor, in which we will study qualifications and disqualifications of company auditor, rules of appointment and removal of company auditor, and rights, duties and liabilities of company auditor. Chapter 4 is tax audit, in which we will study definition of accountant, scope of auditor's role under Income Tax Act, compulsory tax audit, certificate of claiming exemptions, selective tax audit, tax consultancy and representation, and performa of computerized systems. Chapter 5th is audit of computerized systems, in which we will study auditing in EDP environment. EDP means electronic data processing. Planning and audit in computer environment, problems encountered in an EDP environment, general EDP control and EDP application control, system development, data transfer, audit practice in relation to computerized systems, and CAAT means computer assisted audit techniques. This is the syllabus of auditing. Thank you. If you have any query regarding the syllabus, feel free to write an email on shindeav89@gmail.com. Thank you.